If you want to add a clean border in Lightroom Mobile, the easiest way is to use the Export with Border method, because it gives you a polished result without needing extra apps. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it step by step, and I'll also share a couple of pro tips so you can choose the best border style for Instagram, Reels, or a more cinematic look. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick editing guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile and choose the photo you want to export. Once your edit is finished and you're happy with the image, look for the Share option. Tap Share, then select Export As. This is where Lightroom gives you the export settings you need, including the border options on supported versions. After that, look carefully for the border or margin setting. Depending on your device or app version, it may appear as border, margins, or part of the export layout options. When you find it, tap it to turn it on. Now you can adjust the thickness of the border. If you want a subtle, clean frame, keep it thin. If you want the photo to stand out more, increase the border size a little more. You can also choose the border color. White is the best choice if you want a clean Instagram look because it makes the image feel bright, minimal, and professional. Black is a great choice if you want a cinematic feel because it creates more contrast and gives the photo a dramatic frame. Once your border looks right, preview the export if your version allows it. Make sure the image still looks balanced and that the border doesn't make the photo feel too cramped or too large. When everything looks good, tap Export and save the image to your device. That's it. You've now added a border in Lightroom Mobile using the Clean Export method. This is one of the easiest ways to make your photos look more styled and ready for social media without complicated editing. And here's the pro tip. If you're posting to Instagram, a white border usually looks the cleanest and most modern. If you're going for mood, contrast, or a film style edit, try a black border instead. It can completely change the feel of the image in a really good way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tips, editing tricks, and simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.